Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get a lot of coins in Subway Surfers. First off, you're going to need the game Subway Surfers. You get it out of the Play Store. Then you get this app called Game Killer. I'll leave the link in the description so you can download it because it's not accessible in the Play Store. So this is how it looks. So first off, you're going to go to Subway Surfers. As you can see, I have 0 coins. You have to play. You have to get about 64 coins so it would work. So I'm gonna get 64 coins. Oh man, I died. So let me just collect 64, or 56 is best. It's good too, so let me just collect 56 or so. Oh, 67, so after that's done, you hit Game Killer, and then you put the number of coins you have. So 67. Then you click search. Then this will come up. If this comes up, you have to put D word. So search. Let me search again. So none are for 67. That's weird. Well, let me just run again. Okay, let me die. Okay. Here we go. So 72. So you open it again. Put 72 or the number of coins you got. Okay, so as you can see, some of them came up. After some of those came up, you go to this like 3-bar thing, or I don't know what it is, and then after that you go to data control. You go to modify all values. Erase that 0, and then put as much coins as you want. That's the limit, so you can't go more than that. So you press OK. So all the numbers change. After that's done, you close Game Killer, you play again, and then you die. And as you can see, I got a lot of coins. A lot. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and follow me on Facebook. Thanks, and peace out.